Hi everybody, it's Peg, and today I wanted to tell you about a few things. It's the start of a new year, and I already told you about some of my daily practices that I'm going to try to do. Hand lettering is one of them. I have a video about this particular thing that I started the other day, and um, so this is my little watercolor journal. And I just want to do a little bit of lettering. So I'm going to try some different types of techniques here. So I wanted to talk about, excuse me, my year, um, because it's all about old and new and less is more and using what we have. And so um, I'm going to use this binder that I created in a live video with Shall See, and I'll try to remember to put a link in for this. But in here, I have a number of these journals that I have not used. They're just in here. I also have papers and things that, I've created pages with, and so I can use this to put, memorabilia and things that I have collected in here. I also have some other things in the back that I'll show you later on, because that's for another day, another video. But yeah, so this is going to be my daily practice stuff. And I may work in another journal like this because I like the papers in this particular journal. But that's okay because it's only paper, right? And I was testing out these Jane Davenport pencils. Don't ask me why I bought them. Probably because they were new out on the market. And I said, oh, I don't really have colored pencils. And then, I got it home and I started looking at this and I'm thinking to myself, well, there's not a lot of colors in here because this is her color palette and it's not, I started looking for colors right away that are not part of this palette. So I didn't do a very good job of selection, but it's about using what I have. So yeah, I should just be happy that I have some colored pencils, right? So that's what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my big girl pants on and smile and say, I'm happy that I have colored pencils. Even though there's a lot of blue and purple, but when you get over here, where's my orange? Yeah, not there. Only two little greens. Okay. So, yeah, I need to work on this one. I do like that it has some of these purples in here. You know, like if you're building shadow and you want some purple for shadow, you do have that. So that's okay that it's got purple, right? And I like a little purple highlight in the hair too, you know. So I mean, yeah, there's good and there's bad in everything. You just have to kind of roll with it and take it as it comes to you. So I like these journals because I like this craft tone paper. This is a Strathmore tone paper. So you'll probably see me, you know, just taking something like this where I've done a piece, and I'll probably just end up gluing this into my other journal that will end up in my year book, and I'll be happy with that because I am refreshing and renewing and trying to use the things that I have. So watch as I create. I'm going to try to do more daily creations and share those with you. So thanks for watching today. Be kind, and remember, you make a difference, and you're always carried in my heart. Bye for now.